In this guide, I'm going to show you how to clone apps on Android. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you need to open up the Google Play Store and tap search down at the very bottom. From here, go ahead and type in a specific app, and this app is going to be called Parallel Space. Go ahead and select it, hit install up at the very top. Also, real quick, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template, so if you ever wanted to make your own Roblox game, or maybe you wanted to make your own Roblox game even better, but weren't really sure where to start, just check out the Etsy links or the Gumroad links down in the description, and this is going to give you a full setup to build from, so you don't have to start from scratch. It is absolutely perfect, and it helps out the channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. By these people, this is just a great app, and I highly recommend it, but it's not going to take too long to install, and once it does finish, you can open it up directly on here or through the app library. Just go through, go ahead and give it the permissions that it needs, and create an account if it does ask you to, and then it's going to start building a space where you can hit start, and then you just got to go through and choose whatever app it is that you want to clone. For example, I could choose WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, Candy Crush, YouTube, Chrome, whatever it might be. Select it, put it in here, and the cloned app is now going to appear inside of Parallel Space, and then you can just tap this app to open it up, and then you can open up the second version and sign in with a different account, and you can return here whenever you want to use the cloned app or add more apps in here as well. It's that simple. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.